Hello internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. It's been a long time I uploaded any video, so today I got to unbox Avengers, the new game for PS4 and Xbox One and their new consoles, of course, by Crystal Dynamic for 16. Well, this is the exclusive deal that my Sony and Square Enix made to include Spider-Man. I'll come to this later on because it's a little bit tricky. But keep in mind is that you need an internet connection in order to play this game all the time. On the side, there's nothing specific. Marvel Avengers. Embrace your power. In the future with superheroes outlaw, you must assemble, rebuild, and custom. This is just like this game is just like like Overwatch, for example. But play an original Avengers story, assemble online in team of up to 4 players. Well, I'll come now to what will blow your mind. 1 player, network, of course, PlayStation Plus, and here's what will blow your mind. It requires 90 gigs of memory minimum. Man, this is too much. But what shall we do? This is the new games. And there are PS4 Pro enhancement, and there's no mention of PS5 or any free upgrade for the PS5. We don't know about this yet. And let's open it up. So this is the CD, as usual, just a CD. Square Enix, Crystal Dynamic. I don't know why they included this, a free demo for Final Fantasy VII. Well, this is an advertisement. And this is a code which I don't really need. No, anybody can have it. This is for their website. Square Enix is still fund with their website. And what else? This is the manual. You can see there's a picture in the back. So after all this, just let me go back again for this exclusive deal that Sony and Square Enix made. Well, actually this deal came way too much earlier, I think, into the production of this game and even the physical production of this CD or case, because you can see I can peel this. It's actually a sticker above the game case here. Well, you can see it. Yeah, it seems Sony and Marvel and Square Enix didn't come up with an agreement first, but later on they probably came with one, and because it came way too much late, they don't want to reproduce the cases again with just extra one print, so they just stick this sticker on the side, and they even didn't align it properly. Square Enix is just a little bit hidden behind it. Just like if I peel it, and this is the original case. This is weird. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching.